Hey guys, now I will be showing you one of the Xitsonga herbs, aloe, the aloe vera. I will be showing you on how it works on our hair and the amazing work that it does on our hair. It removes dandruff and it enriches natural hair and it makes the hair to be strong and black. So I will be showing you how we use our aloe on our hair. Most of the Xitsonga ladies use it on their natural hair. Like they didn't even braid, they just use it on their natural hair. But then as you can see that I have braided my hair, so I'll be using it now. And it also brings back lost hair in the front. As you know, like when you have braided the hair in the front, you can lose it and it can break. So I will be showing you on how we use it on the hair. This is the aloe. As you can see, it also has thorns. So I will cut the aloe into pieces. I will be using it on my front, in the front. To bring back loose hair and to enrich my hair. So I will be cutting this aloe into pieces. Yes, I'm done now. So when I uncut my hair will be rich. My natural hair will be rich and it will also be black. And it will not break. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.